This video focuses on the setup for the solver on Google Sheets. You should watch this video after you watch the main video for session 2. I have uploaded the spreadsheet for the Zuda problem to Google Sheets. This spreadsheet reflects the trial solution of 500 units of each scooter type. I've also entered all the formulas for the objective function and for the used resource amounts. On Google Sheets, the solver is one of the add-ons. In order to load the solver, we need to go to Add-ons, click on Get Add-ons, type solver in the search box, and when you find it, install it. Okay, here we have solver appearing under add-ons. A couple of comments about the shortcuts. The shortcut for displaying and editing a formula in a particular cell on Google Sheets is the same as on Windows, F2. So if we go to the objective function cell F10, we can display and edit its content using the same shortcut. The same applies to the shortcut F4 that can be used to impose absolute cell references. If we check the cell E14 and highlight the decision variable cells, we can change the addresses of the cells between absolute and relative by repeatedly pressing F4. Okay, let's call the solver. Let's select Add-ons, Solver, Start. The solver dialog window appears on the right side of the sheet. Let's specify the objective function. In Google Sheets, it is convenient to first go to the objective function cell on the spreadsheet, and then go to the set objective. So now we've selected the objective function. We do the same thing for decision variables. We highlight C10 and D10 first, and then go by changing box, and C10 and D10 appear there. Finally, constraints. We first click on Add, then we highlight the cells E14, E16, and then go to the left-hand side. After that, we highlight G14, G16, and go to the right-hand side, and then click OK. And our constraint has been added. Now we need to specify that our decision variables are integer. Again, we click Add. We highlight C10 and D10. We go to left-hand side. And then in the relation box, we select integer. And we click OK. And we see that our constraint is added. In solvent method, we stay with the standard LS-GRG nonlinear, because it's pretty much the same as GRG nonlinear we used on Windows. Finally, we click on Options and make sure that Ignore Integer is unchecked, and Assume Non-Negative is checked. The last option makes sure that our decision variables are all non-negative. We click OK, and then we click Solve. The solver starts working and then displays the optimal solution.